Hi, and welcome to our Git page hosting course. And this is going to be a short course getting you started and getting you set up with Git pages and Git page hosting. And we've also got some GitHub and Git getting started with Git. So some basic Git commands to get you started. My name is Lawrence, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. I come to you with many years of web development experience, and Git is commonly used in web development, as I've got a lot of students that are asking me about where they can host their content, their HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for free. And one of the best places, and the ones that I usually recommend, is using GitHub and creating a Git page for your repository, so any project that you're working on. And this gives you the ability to share that content with others with a web URL, and it runs the code. And then you can also make changes to the code using Git commands. So a great place to practice Git commands as well as writing code. And best of all, there's a free plan in order to do this. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up and create a project on GitHub. So even if you've never used GitHub before, then you're going to find this information helpful in getting started with GitHub. If you've already used it before, this might serve as a refresher. And if you're really used to using it, then this course probably isn't for you, because we're just covering the basics. I'm just showing you how you can upload files to Git, how you can share and create your Git pages. The course is going to be covering creating branches, and then also pull requests and merging requests. So creating some Git flow where you've got a master and a dev version. Also installing Git on your computer so you can update those files locally, and then using command line to write Git commands, check out, switching between different branches, getting Git status, adding files, pushing the updated project files to your Git repository. And at the end, I'm also going to show you how you can update the code and add in Bootstrap into your web page, and that's the one that you're going to be sharing as your Git page. And please remember again that the objective of the upcoming lessons is just a simple introduction to getting started with GitHub and also setting up Git pages. I'm happy to answer any questions or comments you may have. There is a little bit of coding, so a little bit of light HTML coding. One of the prerequisites to this course is to be familiar with HTML, and the rest is copy and paste and updating the code and then sending it and using some of the Git commands. So that means opening up your terminal and using Git commands directly on your local system. And that gives you the ability to update your files and commit them to your Git repository using the command line. Oh, and by the way, I have also included this handy PDF guide so you can use it alongside the lessons. It includes links, some of the source code, and some of the Git commands that are going to be presented in the upcoming lessons. So I know you're excited to get started, so let's dive right in and start creating our Git pages and working with GitHub.